How to create a Picsart account. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a Picsart account within some steps. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe option in this video. So let's get started. So if you don't have this application on your device, you may just go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for Picsart. After that, just tap on the very first option and tap install. After the installation is complete, tap on open. And there you will reach in this interface. So here are three processes of how you can create an account in Picsart. One of them is Google, one of them is Facebook, and another one is email. So in this video, we're going to go with the manual process of continuing with email. If you tap on continue with Google and Facebook, you will directly create an account through Google and Facebook by just giving permissions on the respective apps. So let's continue with email. Just tap on email and enter your email address. After entering your email address, just tap on next. And then create a password with at least one number and one letter with minimum 8 characters. After creating a password, just tap on next. And then create a username for your account. And tap on complete. After that, there you go. You have successfully created a Picsart account very easily. Just follow the steps I told you and you are ready to go. So in this way, you can create a Picsart account very easily. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful to you.